so good at repeating after me. Yeah, you are. Can you say, I love you? Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Oh, I love you so much. Would you like a treat? Oh, you would? Okay, take a bite. There it is. That was so good. Now can you say thank you? Wow, that was so good. I love you. I love you. Oh, you're so cute. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Oh my goodness, you excited, huh? Oh my goodness, would you like one more treat?